Hello kiddo, welcome to my channel, Mimi Pam, and today's video I'm gonna play Roblox Grow a Garden. This is my first time to play this uh,
Garden
game, and I'm gonna click here. Okay. Oh, okay. And I don't know how, I don't know what's going on in here. Okay, we're gonna. Okay. I'm gonna walking around here or oh wait,
yan.
okay, what I'm going to do in here.
Seeds.
Okay, we're gonna take seed. Okay,
Sand.
gonna talk to him.
Sand.
Okay,
Carrot.
no, we don't have a money. Common in seed, strawberry or carrot. Okay, how to buy it? This is my first
$10.
$10. Okay, this is my first time and what I'm going to do here. Okay, and we're going to the and carrot. Okay. I don't know what I'm going to do in here. Okay, sell, but we don't have a carrot in here.